Welcome to Fenice and our collaboration with Collini in Italy. We have a nice working experience together, and we have transmitted the technology of Fenice in the leather business to Collini. To give an example, Fenice has been working for over 40 years in the leather business. So we work with tanneries, leather goods manufacturers, shoe manufacturers, and everyone really in the world of leather. And so what we've done is taken the technology of the tannery to Collini, so that now with the Collini products, with the Waterstain Pro products that they use, we can create a variety of articles. For example, from a light coloured leather that absorbs by sponge, we can have different effects and different colours, green, blue, red, and we can have uniform or even, let's say, antique effects. This is all with the Collini products from here in very simple applications. The same is valid not only for shoes but also for belts. So again, this is the Waterstain Pro, and one product by sponge on both sides. So from here we can create a variety of colours, and the fastness is very good. So with the cloth we can see that the resistances are excellent. So we can now show you how to use the Waterstain Pro products. So now we see a simple procedure. It's normally 3 steps. So first we do the cleaning, then the color dyeing, and then if needed we fix it with a top coat. So first of all we take the cleaner. These are all water-based chemicals that Collini use, and we take the cleaner, and this can be a belt or a jacket or a bag, and we clean it because we want to take out any grease or any dirt. So we apply the cleaner very simply, and then we let it dry. Now we come to step 2, which is actually the dyeing of the leather. Here we can choose a variety of colors. So this is a water-based product, the Waterstain Pro of Collini, and we can see that with a very simple application from a light color, in just a couple of applications we can create a very nice dark brown that has that aniline, that veg tan look in very simple steps. So we've applied it, it's uniform, and now we let it dry. So we've seen that even with the Waterstain Pro the rub resistance is very good. However, if you want to improve it, maybe if it is a belt or a jacket and you need to have better rub resistances, then we have a protective top coat, and this is again applied by sponge or by spray. We apply it to the water stain that has already dried, and basically in one coat we are giving more protection. It's very simple to apply, and then when it's dry we get a nice result.